When does the obligation to pay property taxes begin after buying a home? In recent news, many new homeowners are asking a pressing question. When do you start paying property taxes after purchasing a home? This topic is especially relevant as many people are moving into new homes this season. Understanding the timeline for property taxes can help you plan your finances better. The obligation to pay property taxes generally begins as soon as you take ownership of your new home. This means that once you close the sale and receive the keys, you are responsible for those taxes. Property taxes are assessed based on the value of the home at a specific time. The responsibility for paying these taxes transfers to the new owner at the closing of the sale. Most local governments calculate property taxes annually. They do this by multiplying the assessed value of the home by the local tax rate. The assessed value is determined by a government assessor and may not match the market value of your home. Each year, local governments can adjust the tax rate based on their budget needs. For homeowners who have a mortgage, property taxes are often paid through an escrow account managed by the lender. The lender estimates the annual property tax bill, divides that amount into monthly payments, and adds it to your mortgage payment. Each month, the lender deposits this portion into the escrow account and pays the tax bill when it is due. This method helps ensure timely payment and avoids large bills all at once. If you have significant equity in your home or have paid off your mortgage, you might be allowed to pay property taxes directly instead of through an escrow account. It is also important to note that property taxes are typically prorated at the time of closing. This means that both the seller and buyer share the property tax bill for the year based on the date of ownership transfer. Usually, the buyer reimburses the seller for the portion of property taxes that covers the time after the closing date. In summary, your obligation to pay property taxes begins on the day you officially own the home. However, the exact timing and payment method can vary depending on local tax schedules and your mortgage agreement.